Did your Miele Boost CX1 vacuum just shut off for no reason and you can't figure out why? Well, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to check to see if there's any type of a clog in the hose in the metal wand. If there's nothing there, this we find is the most common reason why these vacuums shut off. What happens is most people don't realize that not only you have to empty this out, not only you have to maintain this filter every once in a while. This one, as you see, is not only not being maintained, it's got so much dust in there that there's no way this motor, the poor thing can't breathe properly. Not only that, you also have a filter here that, there we go, you can easily press that button, remove this, and this is the reason why the vacuum shut off, because it overheated. This was never cleaned, so all of this blocks the airflow. The motor overheats, it shuts off in order to protect itself, and this is the reason why. So please, 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 I beg of you, when you empty your dirt here, make sure you wash this, make sure you take this apart, you clean it. And please, there is a brush roll located on the vacuum that allows you to clean the pleats on this filter. You can wash this. There's instructions right on it. It says you can wash it, put it under the sink, leave it out for 24 hours before you use it. This motor cannot breathe and therefore it shuts off. This is the biggest tip we can give you on the Miele Boost CX1.